Wow. Oh, it is. What town is that? Anthony Norton again? Wow, they came from far, huh? Cool. Oh, they have a Hummer too.
They're ambulances.
Maybe it's an antique, huh? Cool.
Hi.
Wave to him. Hey, he sees you. That's a nice SUV. Look at that Hummer, huh? Police departments have lots of Hummers. That's cool, huh?
Hello.
Oh, hey, he heard you. He heard ya. Cool, huh?
I want to get sent away.
I bet you will. What do you think? Well, that's a different police. That's Barrington Police. Yep, I worked in Barrington too.
That's a big doggy. He kind of looks like a bear, huh?
Wow.